Hello guys, welcome back to her channel. Today we are going to show you how we make ring light.
And just in 400 rupees. So
Yes.
keep on watching. And a big shout out to my sister Eklu. Thank you so much.
Welcome. बस एक प्लेट
तेरी बहन बहुत दुल्ला रही, ठीक है?
एक प्लेट तेरे लिए बहुत हो गया
ठीक है,
है।
ठीक है। हर एक कंटेंट क्रिएटर की एसेंशियल नीड होती है एक लाइटिंग सेटअप। और मैंने आजकल इतने यंग टैलेंट्स देखे इंस्टाग्राम पे वीडियोस बनाने के लिए, और हर कोई स्टार्टिंग में अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता है रिंग लाइट। तो क्यों ना हम खुद की रिंग लाइट बनाएं। मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ कैसे रिंग लाइट हम बनाएंगे, और एंड में देखने वाले हैं नेचुरल लाइट में उसकी इफेक्ट और अंधेरे में उसका इफेक्ट। सो बने रहिए वीडियो में एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
So for this you will need one cardboard, LED strip of 5 meter, this LED strip driver with wire and 2 pin, and some silver foil or silver tape, glue, cutter, scissor, scale pencil and butter paper. Now take the maximum measurement of the rounder or any desired measurement you want for your ring light. Make the circle, and now just keep in mind you have to keep the 5 centimeter distance from the inner and outer circle, and make the circle. Now I'll be creating 2 rings to make it stronger and stick them both, spreading the glue evenly. Take some more gum and stick it evenly to get a stronger bond. Stick them well, and now you're good to go with the ring base. This is how it looks. Now I'll be sticking the ring border. Take the 4 centimeter broad border, cut it down. You can also take 5 centimeter broad, but 4 is efficient according to me. And stick this border, like keep it holding there until it's, it dries. The outer borders and the inner borders as well. Hold it and stick it well. It stays really strong once it's dried. Now I'll be using this foil. The plain base should be in inner and the shiner part should be the outer one. We are going to stick it in the borders so the light reflects really good from our ring. Use the glue and stick it on your border. Spread it well, and just like this, stick it, and the above excess one you can just dab it. This is how the ring looks after the foil. Now I am doing the hole in center to take out the wire and stick the LED strip. Once it's done, you can start sticking the strip. It takes time and you have to be really gentle with it. And this is how it looks when you're done with the sticking part. Now you have to connect the red wire with the red and black with the black, and once you will cover it, you should just wrap it separately and then wrap it along. Now we are setting the butter paper. Let it dry with the glue, and then just turn it and cut out the excess paper out of it. So this is how it glows in the dark, all glowy.
सो गाइस पूरा अंधेरा है यहाँ पे, और अभी हमें एक्चुअल रिजल्ट पता चलेगा रिंग लाइट का। सो 1 2 3 एंड voila! This looks just as good as the market wali ring light, and that too in 400 rupees. So let me show you how it looks. ये एक्चुअली बैलेंस भी बहुत अच्छी हो जाती है। मैंने अपनी मेकअप वैनिटी पे रखा है, एंड इसका यहाँ पे ये AC/DC कन्वर्टर यहाँ पे रखा है, और हमने यहीं से इसका टेप ऐसे लगा दिया था वायर, सो जैसे ये डिस्टर्ब ना हो एंड इट विल स्टे लॉन्ग लास्टिंग एज इट इज देयर. So this is the effect of the ring light. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure you hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel and be part of my YouTube family. Thank you. Bye.